Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Kaiber AI application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to download any Android application for your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator. So in order to do this, go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BlueStacks website, which is an Android emulator for your PC. Now, right from the homepage, click on Download BlueStacks button and this will download the installer for the BlueStacks emulator. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file up and then proceed with clicking on the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator. Once the emulator is installed, you can open it up and you will be taken into your Android home screen. Now, right from your Android home screen, tap on System Apps and tap on Play Store. This will then open up the Google Play Store where you might be asked to log into your Google account if you're opening it up for the first time. Now, from this page, tap on the search box and then go ahead and type in Kaiber AI and start the search. Once you start the search, you will be able to find the Kaiber AI application within the Play Store. Go ahead and tap on the Install button and this will begin to download an installation of the Kaiber AI application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is done, and once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Kaiber AI application. Once you open it up, you can proceed with logging in or signing up to your new account in order to start using the Kaiber AI application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Kaiber AI application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.